Gentlemen, it is so easy to add a little bit of elegance to your daily routine with a safety razor. And I'm going to show you very simply how to use this classic safety razor. It's called a DE89 from Edwin-Jagger. You can get it for $28 on Amazon. It has 3 parts. You unscrew the handle. You have what's called the top cap and the comb. We're going to use one of my favorite blades. It's called an Astra Superior Platinum. This one costs 8 cents and it's the second use, so 4 cents for this shave. Take the blade, put it on the top cap, put the comb on top, those 2 parts. Take the handle, screw it in. That's all. Super simple. Now, I was going to use regular canned shaving cream like Barbasol, but I hate missing an opportunity to use one of my nice shaving soaps, DR Harris Lavender. I did a whole video on it that you can watch here, but we're going to keep this super simple. Just give me a minute. I'm going to whip up a lather with my shave brush. You don't need a shave brush and shave soap. Canned soap is fine. I just really enjoy using the shave brush and a nice soap. Okay, it's really simple. This is a mild safety razor. It's actually hard to cut yourself if you pay just a little bit of attention. So, like with any razor, I'm going to wet the blade. I'm going to wet the head of the razor. And I'm going to give you a little trick. Put the razor like this on your temple and then rock it down until you feel the edge of the razor touch your skin. And then you start the shave. That's your angle. Short strokes. Don't press down. Let the razor do the work. Now I'm going with the grain of my beard. I know which way hairs on my face grow. And so on this side, they go down, and on my neck, they grow up. So on this first pass, we're going to do a couple passes, actually 3. I'm going to go with the grain. And look at this razor. It's elegant. And this is an object that you can use every day. You don't throw it away. And James Bond uses this razor. I just made that up, but could. And common sense, when one side gets full, just turn it and use the other side. Short strokes, I'm not pressing down, going with the grain. Now, I'm pretty well shaven, but if you want a super clean shave, you do more than 1 pass. And so we're going to do a second pass across the grain. But first, more shaving cream. Okay, time for the second pass. We're going to go across the grain. Now, I don't need to, but some people need to pull their skin. To make it taut. Now with my skin on my neck, I can't go across the grain right here. So I can, on the side I'm fine, but just the way my skin is, I'll get razor burn if I go like that. It's stuff you learn as you go. Okay, I've only done 2 passes, but I'm well shaven, and I'll end with an alcohol-based aftershave. Disinfects and smells really nice. Fantastic. Now that was a great shave. I am really nicely shaven with this razor, which is like I said, a classic DE89 from Edwin-Jagger, $28. The Astra blade, 8 cents. I've used it twice. I'll change it for next time, so that's 4 cents a shave. And then you don't need fancy shaving soaps. I happen to love them, and that's part of the charm of the hobby of wet shaving or traditional shaving. It's not just a beautiful object that works really well in a daily routine. It's also this whole world of scents and textures that I love. And so if that's something you'd like to know more about, please feel free to watch other videos of mine. This has been Pete at the Razor Wire, and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.